Thank me later. Color correcting primer. Let's see how it does on my rosacea. Cause yikes. I'm a little embarrassed to be makeup free here. It's for you guys. Let's go. I was sent this to review, but this is gonna be my honest before and after. First try. The box says this unique color correcting primer helps neutralize skin redness through an encapsulated pigment technology. Watch the green pigments magically even out skin tone and help create a smooth canvas. Wear alone or under makeup. The added benefits of ceramides help skin stay hydrated and soft, while Cica helps smooth skin. It's hard to say because putting it on increases the redness initially. It's a nice feeling. It's not heavy or oily. It goes on nicely, spreads nicely. We are on. I'm gonna give my skin a couple of minutes to kind of calm down. All right, this is literally like 2 minutes later. That is a significant improvement. Am I right? This isn't embarrassing anymore. I could potentially just go out with just this. Like, that's amazing. Honestly, amazing. There's no concealer there. This is incredible. Super impressed with this. Oh my gosh. This is literally, I wash my face, I put on my regular lotion, and then I put on this. Like, oh my gosh. Before and after. Just incredible. Oh my gosh. If you suffer from redness, rosacea, you name it, this is a must. Thank me later. No joke.